We are back on the road, and this time we are going to Daffodil Farms. We are on NH 75 and we'll take around an hour to reach the farm. Right now the road looks pretty scenic and lots of trees and flowers, some beautiful yellow flowers on the way that we saw. Weather is very pleasant. It's a perfect weather for a picnic. Shad is driving, so I am enjoying today the drive. Arrived and the kids have gone crazy. There are lots of swings and slides, and the dogs have gone crazy. I saw Princess run directly and found a mud pool for herself. Whoa.
Momentum, so I went flying. I landed like this, and I had to go like this, and then straight in my nose, running like this, and it hit my straight in my nose.
You gave a kiss to the seesaw, no?
Nose. Yeah, nose. A nose kiss. They tied me up because they're dumb.
They tied you up because you are dumb?
No, they're dumb.
Because they are dumb?
Yes.
And you are?
A smart boy.
Oh man, if this is what happens to smart people, then I don't want to be
See,
smart.
I'm a smart person. That's why I can just get out like this.
We came to the Peru garden now.
तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो पागल जैसा? मम्मी, मम्मी को खुशी देखो. അവിടെ ഉണ്ടെന്ന് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇത് അവിടെ ഒരെണ്ണം പിന്നെ
Okay.
ഇത് ഓർഗനൈസാ.
Oh, it's amazing. Oh, so nice, fresh and beautiful.
Oh, mommy, wash it at least.
No need, naturally.
This is organic.
No.
I mean organic.
In rainwater washing.
അവിടെയും പഴുത്ത് നിൽക്കുന്നു. Lost control. These ladies have lost control.
Were you able to get any guava, mommy?
Only few.
Only few?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Shit. Oh man. Getting ready for barbecue. That's a chef for the day. Or for the evening.
Can you show us what is that? Whoa.
Dinner time. So we're done with dinner now. Time to sleep.
Good morning.
Good morning, dear Sabu.
That's who are you again?
I am your mama.
So it's time to go back to Bangalore.